Now, after the displacement, after the displacement, okay, that is SI unit of displacement, SI unit of displacement.
Meter.
Since according to the definition, that is displacement, it is the shortest distance traveled by the particle from initial position to final position. So, SI unit of displacement, it is meter. Okay, and similarly, CGS unit of displacement, I can write it as centimeter. Okay, now, fine. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Next one, it is, now let us consider an examples. Okay, suppose in my first example, let us consider a particle of mass m is moving in a circular path, in a circular path of radius r. Suppose this is the center, and here I am having the particle of mass m. It is a point such that it is my radius r. It is my radius r. Okay. Now the particle completes one rotation like this. Here completes one rotation. Whenever the particle completes one rotation, I want to find I want to find what is the distance traveled and what is the displacement. Distance traveled and what is the displacement. Okay, na? Fine.
So displacement here may be equal to radius, sir.
Coming 1 minute. Whenever particle completes one rotation, that means what is meant by completing one rotation? That is, particle is starting from initial point and again it is reaching to the same point.
Same
Again,
point.
uh, just like say for example, okay, previously, whenever we don't have this corona, we are having the city buses. We are having the
Yes, sir.
city buses. Suppose if a city bus starts from Koti, it will goes to the Patancheru, and after some time, again the bus will returns back from Patancheru to Koti.
Yes, sir.
So Koti to Patancheru and Patancheru to Koti, I can consider bus traveled or bus completed one rotation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like that. Whenever the bus travel one complete rotation, since it is going in a circular path, distance travel is equal to
Circle.
circumference of the circle. Circumference
Yes,
of the
sir.
circle, it is nothing but 2 pi r. Circumference of circle, it is nothing but 2 pi r. Okay, na? Is it fine?
Yes, sir. So,
Okay, fine. Now displacement. Displacement, it is according to our definition. See, shortest
shortest.
distance between the initial position and final position. So I'll keep as final position minus initial
Yes.
position. So here it is. Since
Zero.
final position and initial position are same, since initial position equal to the final position, so that is equal to 0. Okay, na? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes.
second one, it is if the particle, okay, completes the half rotation. Okay, this is the center, this is the point A, okay, and this is my radius. If the particle completes half rotation, okay, that is the particle travel from A
Seven.
to B like this. Here it is A to B. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, A to B. Now, in this case, I want to find what is the distance traveled.
Circumference of a semicircle.
Very good. Circumference of semicircle. So, circumference of semicircle, it is, we can write it as pi r,
Yes,
half,
sir.
half of the circumference of a circle. That is
Fire.
pi r. Okay. And then displacement. Displacement. Observe carefully. Here, particle is moving from A to B. A to B.
B.
So, I can say A is the initial position and B is
And
the
B is
final
the final.
position. Final position. Okay. So particle is moving from initial position to final position along the semicircular path. Particle can also go from A to O and O to B.
Yes, sir.
A to O. A to O plus O to B. AO I can call it a radius and
Yes, sir.
OB I can call it radius.
Or
So R plus R,
radius.
that is 2R.
2R.
So whenever the particle completes half rotation, okay, half rotation, then we can say that displacement is 2R and the distance travel equal to pi r.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. Right down.
Finish.
Finished. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Now, after this one, let us consider another example. Suppose third example. Third example. A, B, and then C. Okay. Let us consider initially I'm having a particle at point A. It traveled a distance 8 meters to the point B. And then from point B to C, it traveled a distance 15 meters. It traveled a distance 15 meters. Now, in this
15
case,
meters.
I want to find what is the distance traveled and displacement. And displacement.
Distance travel like 15 meters plus 8 meters.
Yeah, that means firstly we need to observe one thing. Whenever the particle starts from A, that is, it is my initial position, and finally it reaches to
Yes,
point C, that is C is the final position. So distance travel
final
means
position.
I can write AB plus BC.
Plus
That is
BC.
nothing but 8 plus 15, 23 meters. Okay, na? Okay.
Yes.
Now, now here it is that displacement. Okay. This according to our
AC.
AC, according to our definition. Okay. Displacement, it is the shortest distance traveled by the particle from initial position to final position. So it
Pythagoras
is
theorem we need to use, sir.
AC. We can use the Pythagoras theorem. That is nothing but AC square is equal to sum of the squares of two sides
AB square plus
plus BC, AB
AC
square
square. B
plus
square.
BC square.
BC.
So it is 8 square plus 15 square. Okay. What is the value of 15 square?
So
15 square. 225.
220. 220.
That is 289. So AC is equal to 17 meters. 17 square
Yes, sir.
289. Okay, na? Okay. So AC equal
Yes.
to 17 meters. So you can see
Okay.
here, we can say that displacement displacement is less than distance. Can I say?
Yes.
consider another example. Suppose I am having an particle is moving in the form of a square. In the form of a square. Suppose let us consider the vertices as A, B, C, D, and the side of a square is A. Okay, side of a square is A. Suppose initially the particle is at point A. Okay, whenever the particle completes one rotation, one rotation, then what will be the distance traveled? And displacement.
AB plus BC plus CD plus DA.
AB, since it is a square, all sides are equal. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, right? So I can write as 4A. Can I write? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now displacement. Whenever the particle completes one rotation, what will be initial position and final position? Initial position and final position. Initial position is A.
From
Fine.
if, and final position is also here.
So displacement will be
A displacement will be 0, sir. Initial
displacement will be
position minus
0.
final position.
Since initial position and final position are same. Initial position and final position are same, right? Like this. Like this, we'll find the distance and displacement. Like this,
Okay, sir.
we'll find the distance and displacement. Okay? Okay, fine. Tomorrow, what we'll do it is, tomorrow at the same time, and same ID. I will not change the ID. Okay? And in
Okay,
these
sir.
45 days, we'll have the same ID. I will not change. Okay, same ID. And even though I'll keep the link, if I didn't keep link, by default, consider that it is this one only. If there is any change in the link or change in time, I will message you. I'll message
Okay,
you.
sir.
Okay, tomorrow also 8 a.m. Okay,
Okay,
since today it is the daily 1.5 hour, since today it is first class, I am completing before 10 minutes. Okay, daily one and a
yes,
half hour session. Okay, na? Okay, fine.
sir. Will you send the soft copy?
Yeah, I will send. I will send.
Okay, sir.
Okay.